Hi everybody! So today I wanted to do an unboxing video because I received my package from the cat Butler. And the first thing that I want to say is the packaging is so cute. Sometimes when you're a consumer, small things like having this customized tape around the box is a really nice touch. So I love to see that. Okay, now let us open up the package. Gonna have to break this beautiful tape. Okay, the first product that we have here is a cat bed. It is by the company LOVES. So let me just remove this plastic bag really quick. There's a nice little knot tie. So it has this little pillow at the very bottom that's nice and soft. This is the color beige. So this material on the outside feels like it's woven very well. The quality of this definitely seems great. And yeah, this is a product that is handmade in Europe. Let's see if any of the cats want to hop in the bed. We have our first person. So next I purchased a cat toy. This is titled Muse, M-U-S-S-E, or is it Muss? Who knows, but yeah. Oh, Milo is the first to sample the bed. Look at this. It fits one ragdoll cat perfectly. And then here we have a cat toy for Sammy that got startled by it. Or we have Rylai that sometimes likes to play with cat toys. Come on. Hey, all right, back over here for now. All right, I guess I will be playing with Rylai later. Hey, relax. We play after I film this video. And also here is a nice little personalized card from the cat Butler himself. So here is two kittens. Timo is on the left, Aria is on the right when they were both little ones. And it just says, thank you. Hi, Michelle, thanks for the purchase. I hope Milo, Sammy, and Bao like their new gifts. He had a little spelling mistake here. He scribbled something out. I hope you and your cat are happy with the purchase. This is a very nice touch. Thank you very much. Okay, next up, we have a cat toy by Miyakara. So this is one where you can this is one where you can put some catnip on the inside. So I also purchased some catnip here. It's called Herba. Catnip refill pack. It is 25 grams. So let me open this up and put some inside, and then we'll see if Sammy gets all excited and going from this. All right, Sammy. Milo. Milo. Sammy. Usually Sammy is the one that likes the catnip, but Rylai here is being super intrusive right now. Sammy. All right, so those are pretty much the products that I got from the cat Butler, and I'll definitely try to include some footage of how much the cats love the bed. As you can see, Milo went straight into the bed, so I feel like this will definitely have a cat occupying it almost all the time. And then if you want a toy to play with your husky, this is perfect. I'll definitely have Rylai playing with this shortly. And then I'm quite sure this cat toy filled with some catnip will be good for Sammy. He was definitely a big fan of it. In the past, anytime I had like a little rat, it had some catnip on the inside. But anyways, thank you for checking out my cat Butler unboxing video. Wow, Sammy is drooling like crazy. He's actually salivating like crazy. There's all this liquid on the floor. Okay. Good job. She got it. Oh, Michael got it. Good job. Okay, Rylai, stop. Down. Okay. Wow, you're cool. Oh, good job. You got it. Come on. Yeah. Oh, good job. Okay, hey. So pretty good. Good. Okay, good job. Oh, nice. Oh, good job.
Ba